Global changes in transport of goods and increased global travelling, in combination with climatic and environmental changes, have increased the risk of introduction of new species and diseases. Given their relationship with the environment, vector-borne diseases are particularly sensitive to these changes. For example, the invasion of the tiger mosquito in Europe was made possible through the international trade in second-hand tires. Mosquitoes are capable of transmitting tropical viruses such as dengue and chikungunya. This process started in the 90s of the last century, and it was completed by the introduction of a tropical pathogen in an established tiger mosquito population in northern Italy by tourists returning with the chikungunya virus from India. Introducing the chikungunya virus in the local tiger mosquito population infected 205 people, of which one died. Invasive vector-borne diseases also have far-reaching consequences for the veterinary sector. Blue-tongue virus, or BTV, transmitted by biting midges, has been invading the Mediterranean basin since the 90s, causing major damage to the sheep industry. Unexpectedly, in 2006, a different BTV strain invaded the northern half of Europe. Starting in the Maastricht area, it covered more than 1 million square kilometers in 2 seasons, causing an estimated damage of 200 million euros to the cattle industry in the Netherlands alone. Climatic and behavioral changes also trigger the spread of existing vector-borne diseases next door. Tick-borne diseases, for example, such as Lyme disease. There are more than 80,000 new cases in Europe every year, which is even more worrying when we know that 10 to 40% of the ticks are infected. In Belgium, the highest risk is in the eastern and southern part of the country. Avia-GIS is a world leader in the collection, processing and analysis of spatial information on vector-borne diseases into a unique, data-driven space-time information system. We apply state-of-the-art techniques, including geographical information systems, spatial modeling and analysis, Earth observation and satellite navigation. The results of our research are critical for decision-makers in both public and private office to act in the interest of public health, agriculture and economy. Together with its partners, Avia-GIS developed the award-winning software package VECMAP. VECMAP provides a one-stop shop for the sampling, mapping and modeling of vectors of disease. It's a spatial decision support system for targeted surveillance and control. The accurate mapping of the distribution and abundance of these vectors at various scales is a first essential step to plan the management of vector-borne diseases. Random sampling spots are strategically chosen based on expert advice. In urban areas, addresses are automatically listed and letters are sent to inform and request assistance. The workload is assigned automatically and a work plan is generated according to available resources. A mobile device guides field teams to the exact sampling spots. High-quality field data is collected and entered into a central database. This allows us to instantly share all parameters of the chosen sampling points, geographical state, weather conditions, and all other data with other team members. The identification of vectors at various sampling points is a first essential step for the inventory of native species and the detection of invasive species. This data is critical for the planning and management of vector-borne diseases and helps to identify variables affecting the suitability for introduction, establishment and spread of invasive species. Upon request, support is provided to identify trapped specimen. Continuous monitoring of the progress of sampling, mapping and modeling of vectors guarantees the accuracy of all VECMAP data. In Belgium, the implemented sampling strategy allowed detection of 24 native and 2 invasive mosquito species. A web map linked to the central database instantly shows operational progress and stored results. The public page allows filtered feedback to the public and press. VECMAP is a network of users who share experiences and results through the VECMAP website and workshops.
It's always nice to work with Avia. I mean, it's smooth and it's professional. It's a little different than working with a university because you are much better deadlines at Avia than we are at universities. But else, it's pretty much like working with a very good university partner.
I think it's the credibility that it's trustful, that it's continuous, it's always delivered on time.
I think Avia-GIS helped us to concentrate on important questions.
We were fortunate to work with you, I think, in that we could piggyback our technical experience on top of your institutional and managerial experience. That collaboration has been very fruitful and we've done a lot together in that time, which if we had been competing, we'd have wasted a lot of effort competing.
VECMAP provides the most accurate data possible in the most clear-cut way to 3 basic questions concerning vector-borne diseases. Where do they come from? Where will they enter? And how will they spread? VECMAP data analysis results in distribution models and landscape risk models mapping invasive species, integrating the latest state-of-the-art technology and tailored to the specific needs of every user. VECMAP offers a wide range of advanced modeling methods. These spatial models improve the operational reactivity of our customers. In practice, they allow us to identify important risk areas, predict potential spread areas, and implement prevention measures. Based on data available in 2007, Avia-GIS predicted the spread of the tiger mosquito in Europe and was able to accurately predict its current spread pattern. The solutions proposed by Avia-GIS to manage invasive species already supports a wide range of organizations in need to predict and control the introduction and spread of these species. VECMAP is based on the scientific knowledge and innovative capacity of Avia-GIS and its partners in the domain of vector sampling, mapping and modeling. This is recognized both by the scientific world and the industry. VECMAP has been demonstrated in 9 countries by 11 partner institutions and is now used by VectorNet, a pan-European network of vector specialists coordinated by Avia-GIS to plan and manage vector sampling in Europe. VECMAP received the first Janssen Open Innovation Award in 2012, and Avia-GIS was elected as Innovation Hero by the Kempense Innovatieraad in 2014. This award-winning software package is now ready for the market.